that was the tackling exercise. The kicking exercise, I'd say everybody in the room has done this kicking exercise at some stage. And that's why we used it. It was simple. So, I'll show you this outside again. There's 8 different groups. Do you remember this? Does anyone remember using this in training? This exercise? Yeah? So, let's take it, for example, we're here. This guy has 2 footballs. So he's kicking the ball to here. Okay? So that could be about 40 metres. So he kicks right, lands running, kicks left. This guy controls the first ball, then controls the second ball. He hand passes his 2 footballs to this player. Now you follow the ball. So he'll follow here, okay? This guy collects the 2 balls, hand passes right, hand passes left to this guy. He then kicks right and left to this guy, who hand passes right and left to this guy, who kicks right and left to this guy, who hand passes right and left to this guy, who kicks, do you see it? Okay, so it's a simple exercise, but this is what we went after. All 3 kicks had to be used in the move. You had to use your instep, you had to use your outstep, and you had to use your laces. So in any rotation, you'd get those 3 kicks in. The distance kick, you could use the outside of your boot. The shorter kick, you use an instep or a punt kick, right? But we were promoting the kick, alright? Pass right and pass left. You get the 2 balls, kick right, kick left. I want you to use an instep kick, right and left. When you get the 2 balls, try the outside of your boot. Try the outside of your boot on it. Right now. When you get the 2 balls, punt kick right and left. So you're on the laces. That's the 3 different types of kicks. Yeah. They're coming down to you. Ready? Go. All right. Excellent. Pass right. Gotta come a bit closer. Kick. He has to go on the line. Kick. 1 bounce. Oh, yeah. Next, good. Wellies, that's top draw. 1 bounce. Land running. There's the outside of the boot one. Next ball. Probably an instep, is it? Good. Right, left, good. On the laces. Laces again. Excellent. Hand pass right, left. I need it. Very good. That's it. Very good. Good. Excellent. Right, left, good. That's the outstep. Now your instep. Oh, the outstep on the left. Very good. Right, left. Excellent. Super. Okay. Go. 2,000. 3,000. 4,000. 5,000. 6,000. 7,000. 8,000. 9,000. 10,000. Connor. 11,000.
Get it going, Connor.
12,000. 13,000. 14,000. 15,000. Okay, we're going to give them one last chance. Another time. We'll make it under 13 seconds. Ready? Go! 1,000. 2,000. 3,000. 4,000. 5,000. 6,000. 7,000. 8,000. 9,000. 10,000. 11,000. 11,000.